Anna watching the crypt scene.
Hi guys. Hi Meg.
We've got company.
Look, it's Crowley. Sam's face is like.
Yes. Yes, I don't know what the hell is wrong with you, but if you're in there and you can hear me,
Oh, no.
you don't have to do this. Cass!
This isn't right. Do you realize what that tablet can do for us? For heaven.
I won't hurt Dean.
No.
Yes. You will.
Shut up, Naomi.
You are.
Cass, fight this. This is not you. Fight it! What have you done to me?
Just relax, Castiel. Let your vessel do what you know deep down is the
Shut
right thing.
up.
What have you done to me? Naomi. Who's Naomi?
What have I done to you? Do you have any idea what it's like out there? There's blood
His
everywhere.
poor face. He's
And it's
like,
on your
no.
After everything you did. To us. To heaven.
Hey, baby.
I fixed you, Castiel. I fixed you.
Nice.
Cass!
No. No, 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 no. That's loud. Ow. This hurts me. Oh, God.
I believe they're playing my song.
Hi, Crowley. Ow. No. I hate this episode.
You want it? Take it!
God damn it.
But you're gonna have to kill me first.
Shut up.
Come on, you coward. Do it! Do it!
Cass.
End this, Castiel.
It hurts me.
This isn't you. This isn't you.
Bring me the tablet.
Yes.
No.
Yes. I know you're in there.
I know you can hear me.
It's me.
It's me. We're family.
We're family.
We need you. I need you. I
need
love you. That's what he's
Choose,
supposed to
Cassia.
say.
Or them.
Good.
No. I hate this show. Shut up, Julia. You're smiling at me.
Castiel!
Naomi. Oh no.
Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
The most romantic episode / scene ever. I hate them.
So sorry, Dean.
What the hell just happened?
Love what you done with the place. Really.
How you doing?
I'm fine. You can turn off the camera now.